Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Arm & Hammer Odor Busterz balls available on the market. These deodorizer balls are designed to tackle those stubborn odors in your home or on the go, with a fresh and effective solution that really stands out. The Arm & Hammer Odor Busterz balls come in a convenient 10-pack, making it easy to place one in all the essential spots around your house. Whether it's your closet, bathroom, gym bag, or even your car trunk, these little odor-fighting balls work quietly but powerfully to keep the air smelling fresh. Each ball contains Arm & Hammer's natural baking soda, which is well known for its odor-neutralizing properties, combined with a clean burst scent that is refreshing without being overwhelming. One of the key features of these deodorizer balls is their long-lasting power. Each ball can eliminate odors for up to 60 days. This means you don't have to worry about constantly replacing them, making them a low-maintenance solution for everyday odor problems. The design includes a unique, perforated shell that allows maximum exposure of the baking soda inside, ensuring effective odor elimination throughout the life of the product. Not only are these balls great for home use, but they're also perfect for people who are constantly on the move. Toss one in your gym bag, locker, or athletic gear to keep those spaces smelling clean. They're also ideal for travel bags and camping equipment, helping to keep things fresh wherever you go. Another neat feature is the ability to adjust the fragrance intensity by simply jiggling the ball. This allows you to customize how much scent you want to release depending on your preferences or the level of odor in the area. In terms of size and portability, these deodorizer balls are compact and lightweight, measuring about 6.5 by 2 by 15.7 inches and weighing under 10 ounces. This makes them easy to place discreetly in any space without taking up much room or being intrusive. The product comes in a clean burst scent, which combines the natural freshness of baking soda with a light, invigorating aroma. This scent is designed to keep the air smelling pleasant without masking odors with harsh chemicals or overpowering fragrances. From a quality standpoint, Arm & Hammer has been a trusted household name for over 175 years. And these Odor Busterz balls carry on that legacy with a product that focuses on natural and effective odor elimination. The active ingredient, baking soda, is known for safely absorbing and neutralizing odors, making it a great option for pet owners, families, or anyone sensitive to artificial chemicals. Overall, the Arm & Hammer Odor Busterz balls offer a simple, effective, and long-lasting way to keep your home and belongings smelling fresh. Their versatility, ease of use, and trusted brand name make them a standout choice for deodorizing needs. If you're looking for a reliable product to combat odors in multiple areas around your home or life, these deodorizer balls are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.